3 years ago, we sat down with our professional motocross racers and enduro riders, and we tried to define what exactly their requirements were for the sports that they practice. Two main requirements that they had for their helmets were ventilation and safety. Get your head in the game for us means our athletes can wear our helmet and the helmet pretty much disappears on their head. They can focus 100% on racing, 100% on winning, knowing that they are protected and they have the best equipment in the world. The new MX550, a high-end motocross helmet from Scott Sports. At Scott, we have extensive experience on how air flows. It comes from our knowledge of aerodynamics. How air flows through a helmet is pretty much the same as how air flows around a helmet. We wanted to make sure the air flow as unobstructed as possible. We put massive ventilation channels through the helmet, which exhaust down the back of the neck and out through a number of strategically placed vents. We benchmarked the MX550's ventilation in a wind tunnel scenario against key competitors. The MX550 significantly outperformed these competitors, reassuring us that we definitely achieved our goals. The helmet team at Scott are passionate about safety. We see it as our key goal of who we are and the helmets that we produce. Riders experience two types of impacts, radial impacts and angular impacts. With the MX550, we wanted to address both of these types of impacts. For radial impacts, we've introduced conehead technology to our helmets. Conehead technology is a unique construction with two different densities of EPS and a unique geometry between the two, which increases the impact protection of the helmet. To protect the brain from rotational violence, we've introduced the revolutionary MIPS brain protection system. MIPS works by putting in a slip layer between the head and the helmet, isolating the head or reducing the transfer of rotational violence to your brain. We believe through our focus on safety and the implementation of these two key safety technologies, we're bringing the new benchmark. We are unbelievably proud to be releasing the new MX550, the safest and most ventilated helmet we've ever created.